Here is the number one thing guys do that will guarantee women never chase them. Girls chase guys who don't play games. Want to know why girls chase some guys? Because those guys aren't just playing hard to get, they actually are hard to get. The number one thing that is making you to chase her all the time is just being desperate for her. No matter what, if you are constantly thinking about her, that means you're desperate. Now, most likely, you don't do this on purpose. And yes, you can survive even without getting her number. But if women sense that you're just another desperate guy trying to score, well, not only are they not going to want you, they're probably gonna turn around and run away from you. I don't want you guys to fall into such a category of unsuccessful men. Instead, I am going to share a few tips and tricks in order to make the women chase you. This is how you can make a woman chase you. Number 1. Friendzone her. Guys, just think, are you the only one who is going to suffer all the time being friendzoned? No, right? Even women face this problem, but women do it to men on a subconscious level. Because just like the friendzone drives guys to become a little bit needy, it also does the same thing to girls. But here's a question for you. If you actually found yourself in a position to friendzone a girl, would you? Guys, let me ask you one thing. Is it better to take the risk in making that woman drive crazy for you, or let her stay as a good friend with you until she makes it up into a relationship with another guy? Which one do you think is better? Obviously, it's better to take risk. Number 2. Engage with her friends. One thing that definitely makes a girl hold back on how much she goes after a guy is how her friends see him. That's because a girl's friends are essentially an extension of her. If a girl likes a man, obviously it's very important to be liked by her group as well. Women ask about their men quite often with their friends, and discuss most things with their friends. Women quite a few times want their friends to opinion for a relationship with a man they like. So, it's very important to be good and impress her friends. Number 3. Leaving is not a bad idea. At the end of the day, not every woman you've wanted is going to chase you. Right? But in reality, there are two types of men, and women are aware of such men. The ones who have always got to go and the ones who are always gonna stick around for them, even if they say no. At the end of the day, it is men who have the ability to leave women who are going to be the real deal. Number 4. Confuse and impress her at the same time. Here's a little secret on how to make her chase you. Women actually love not being the center of your universe. But only if what they're trying for your attention with has to do with your goals. Meaning, girls find productivity to be incredibly, chase-ably attractive. So if you're a really busy guy, here's how to get a woman to chase you in a really good way. Tell her she distracts you while you're seriously working. When you say this, she will not be able to ignore the fact that you've got other things going on apart from her, which do really matter to you. Just saying like, you can't ignore her when she's around can be an amazing compliment. But, just be really careful when you say it. Number 5. Dare to disagree. Most nice guys don't even know why to disagree with the women they like. They just know only to nod their heads to whatever she says. That's a big mistake. The thing is, to disagree for what you feel is incorrect. Stand up for what you think is right, and just speak up. Genuinely, if you feel whatever others speak is correct, then agree. If not, just say no, no matter what. Women love men who are independent. They look for individuality and how a man can stand to his own terms, whatever might be the situation. He has got his own opinion, and can speak up when necessary. He doesn't care what others say, all that matters is his opinion. That's it for today. With that being said, thank you for watching.